So when I drive, I tend to...
God, your eyes are red.
This is why we do it!
So if it wasn't enough that our hood flew up, completely shattered the windshield, they wouldn't let us come back on, so we had to go to Home Depot, buy some Lexan glass, and replace the windshield. Our little 1990 Accord had a cool new party trick. So as you watch the video, I'll go ahead and let you guess what it was. It took us a minute at the actual track to figure out what it was decidedly, because we thought it was maybe something to do with the exhaust. But it was something even more fun. Every single time you would go into a corner, about 2 or 3 seconds after, there would be the most absolutely noxious gas that would enter the cabin, and it would make it so you couldn't breathe very well. And then also the worst part is that it would sting your eyes so bad, to the point where you could barely even see, and it was extremely painful. I know on this video it maybe seems like I was being a little bit dramatic, but it hurt so bad when it was happening. So here's me just doing my absolute darndest to deal with the noxious gas and get a little bit of race time in, and it was pretty awful. At some point I realized also that the engine temps were getting up around like 215, even up looking at it around 230, so I made the decision that we had to come in because we had just built this engine and I was really not trying to blow it up again.
This is it, boys.
God, your eyes are red.
This is why we do it.
Does it? Right here.
What?
Does this help?
Guys, it's getting really hot. It started climbing, it kept at 210 for a minute, and then it started climbing to 215, so I brought her in. And then it went back down to 210, but it got up to 215, so I was like, okay, I'll bring her in.
Okay. How's the gas, the toxic gas?
Just that.
Okay.
It's 100% to do when you brake, though. I don't know, it's for sure.
Tyler had an idea, maybe it's brake fluid.
Oh, maybe. Oh, you know what? I think our front right caliper possibly could be bleeding.
It's smoking through. It was like smoking.
That would make sense because that .6, it like brake fluid is the gnarly.
Because I mean that's what I'm thinking. So let's take a minute. Let's fix it. Yeah, it's hot.
We got a gnarly crack.
Let's check tire pressure because I'm sure we got more grip in this thing.
There's that.
Oh, that's gotten way worse.
Way worse.
Somebody needs to go get rotors tonight. I'm not driving. Donnie doesn't have to.
No, I'm going. I just have to go.
Donnie's exempt.
Brakes still work great. Tyler, I would say go get some fuel, send it a little bit at least.
Yeah.
It's literally like it's cracked, but the other side probably isn't cracked.
No, the temp is what's worried me. I don't want to destroy the car to try to get an extra 20 minutes at the end of the day.
Definitely not a smart idea to do that as long as I did, but I just really wanted to get some drive time in. You spend a lot of time preparing for these races, but at the end of the day, we're going to be selling this car, and we're going to be racing a Subaru WRX as well as a BMW E46 330i. So stay tuned for that if you want to see some more, and yeah, keep racing out there, folks.
Say hello.